It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning and I have a photo shoot. So I'm pretty much just charging up everything. Batteries for the cameras, batteries for this video camera, batteries for the lights that I'm going to be using for the off-camera flash, and getting everything organized. So before we go, let's hop inside my bag and I'll let you know what I'm going to bring to this particular shoot. First off, for my backup camera, I'm going to take the D850. The main camera is going to be the Nikon Z7 II. So that's my main camera. We got everything charged up. Everything is ready to go. It's about 11 o'clock. We're supposed to start at 12. It's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get there. So hopefully I get there early, and the person whose space it is, you know, hopefully I'm lucky and they let me start setting up early, because that would be even more time. But if not, we're gonna have to make it happen. So let's go ahead and jump into it. On the road. Now, I didn't give you all the breakdown too much on like soft boxes that I'm bringing, but I brought an easy lock blow that snaps right onto the AD300, and then I brought 2 strip boxes, and then I have some accessories for the Godox V1 in case I want to get some more moody type shots. So I'm pretty much going to have that set up. The main thing is going to be probably 2 lights, and then I'll add 3, and brought some other things just to kind of play with. So what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. I'm back with another video, and today I have Princess Tommy helping me out. Well, actually, it's her birthday, so
yes,
how old are you turning?
I'm turning 20, Dub Club.
Dope. Welcome to the 20s, okay.
Okay.
So, I am going to do a 2-light setup. Got some smoke effects, so we're going to do it real quick. We got this nice scenery. She hit me up. She was like, yeah, I'm trying to do some portraits. I was like, okay, bet I could do that. And then she was like, yeah, do you got a locker room? I said.
But he made it happen. That's all that matters. He made it happen.
We made it happen, though. So where can they find you at?
You can find me on Instagram at Princess Tommy. Princess spelled the correct way. Tommy is T-O-M-M-I. Instagram, the same thing. Princess Tommy, T-O-M-M-I. Everything is Princess Tommy on all platforms. YouTube, Instagram. That's all I use for real. So follow me on there.
All right, so you ready to get into this?
Yes, I'm ready.
Right,
let's go.
Let's do it.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. scene. When everybody wants to be king, yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean, got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down, I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these fucking clowns, who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it, it's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now, I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down, I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these fucking clowns, who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it, it's only worth it if you work for it.
tough times. Baby, I can't shed light, don't trust cause my ex lied. Maybe I should take
And
five.
I've been through some tough times, told you my head's fried. Heard about me, but you heard it through the grapevine. Baby, go take time. We like a Birkin bag on your waistline. Come, we just slow wine.
Girl, you make me feel away, yeah. Pretty brown skin coming from Jamaica. You know I'm tryna get this paper. One woman, man, girl, I ain't no player. I wanna do you now, fuck later. Even though I got a lot on my plate, just come my way. Ooh, baby, just come my way. Baby girl, come my way. I really want.
That's a work.
Yeah.
For sure.
All right.
Thank you again. Be safe.
All right. Appreciate y'all. What a time crunch. Okay, we were pretty much done at 1:30. It's 1:50 now. So pretty much on time, on schedule with everything. You seen the shoot. I had a few things in mind. Got to do pretty much everything that I wanted to do. Brought 3 lights. Really only needed 2, so that was a good thing. And of course, like that added smoke, I had that in my head before, so that's why I brought it. So anytime you think you could add something extra to the photo shoot, definitely do it, man. Definitely, you know, take the extra time, even if that means carrying something else. Take the time, get it done, because you're going to appreciate it that much more in the shot and look back like, man, I'm really glad that, you know, I took this. And in my case, it was the smoke machine and, you know, a few other things. So I had to bring my own extension cord, because since it was a gym setup, I wasn't sure if it was going to have it, and lo and behold, it didn't have what I needed. So the extension cord came in perfectly. So just try to think ahead of time on what you're going to actually be doing, so that you could be prepared for any situation at all. So that's going to pretty much sum up this behind the scenes slash vlog slash whatever you want to call it. And I appreciate you all watching the channel. Man, big shout out to Princess Tommy for coming through and picking me to do her photo shoot. So it's 2022. We going up. T to the M to the IDD. Peace.